Okay guys, we made it. We just saw the volcano, we already back. It took us like 1 hour back and it was really a great experience. From this side of the island, you can see better all the part over there. There's more lava coming up than from the other side, the touristic side. So it was such a great experience and I hope you guys can make it too. All right. So now Gustavo is gonna talk.
It was a great experience. You only can do it. You can do it many times as you want, but the first time is gonna be always the best one. No matter what. And the time is, wait, 8:31, and we came here at 6. So it took us like 2 hours and a half. It was easy, it was hard, but it was just better. It was just like amazing.
Okay.
And look what it made. It's going better.
Oh God.
So, mejor tengan respeto contra la madre naturaleza.
That's true. Okay.
Aloha.
Aloha. Bye bye. Aloha guys. Ciao.